promotes positive aspect of life in case of diversity. Inequality promotes practice of discrimination. On what basis are people discriminated against in society? People are discriminated on grounds of their skin, color, caste, race, religion, language, occupation, gender, etc. Next, who are Harijans? Mahatma Gandhi ji renamed the untouchables as Harijans, which means children of God. Next, what is untouchability? The practice of denying opportunities or not providing the opportunities to a certain section, group of people of society, treating them unequally than others is called untouchability. Next, what is a stereotype? Stereotype is the practice of judging people on the basis of preconceived opinions about a community or a group at large. What is a prejudice? Prejudice is a prejudging of forming opinions about a person or group without much thought or knowledge. Next, list the provisions of Constitution of India that aim at achieving equality in society. So, in order to achieve equality in the society, what our Constitution has come up with the certain provisions. Let us see. The following are some of the provisions of Constitution of India that try to achieve equality in society. First point is untouchability has been abolished by the law. Next, fundamental rights have been provided to all people to secure them freedom and equality. For example, people free to practice their own occupation of their choice. All citizens are to be treated equally in the eyes of law or before the law. It is also a fundamental right of all citizens to be entitled to move the court in case if their fundamental rights have been violated. Next, the government is responsible to provide the poor and the other discriminated groups in the society with sufficient opportunities like education and employment. The government is also authorized, responsible to take special steps to protect the rights of women, children, and other sections of the society which have been subjected to discrimination. So, moving on to the further, people who suffer from physical and emotional difficulties are known as people with special needs. So, they suffer extensive discrimination in society in some or the other form. So, list two of the discrimination practices that people with special needs suffer in their daily lives. Also, suggest ways to make society more accommodative for the so many people make artful statements against them, right? So many people deny them employment opportunities. And people should avoid making hurtful statements against them and they should treated equally in the society. By this we can provide opportunities to the specially special needs persons or the people and they should be treated as a part of the society. This is how we can give the respect towards the life of those people. So students, please go through the video and write once in your homework book. And those who are not completed the notes, please update it and read thoroughly the answers. And while writing, so dear students, please go through the videos, the first part which I have sent in the on Monday and today's video together and write it once in your homework book and be thorough with the answers. And while writing in a midterm exam, make sure that without spellings you need to spelling mistakes you have to complete the answer and answer should be complete to the given allotted marks. Don't write any incomplete answer. This is the first mistake which you are making. Whatever the question has been asked, you should consider the marks. As per the marks, you need to write the answer. And please go through the classwork and get the answers and write it neatly and without spelling mistake. Thank you.